We don't know who is going to be our next president of the United States. I figure I have to do a dish that either of those candidates would be happy with. When it comes to Hillary Clinton, I know exactly what she likes because I used to work at the White House for about 12 years when she was the First Lady. Hillary likes to have the meat just cooked perfectly, but not overcooked. She likes to have vegetables, high quality food, of course, not too fatty. For Mr. Trump, I know that he doesn't like to have meat to be undercooked. He likes to have cooked meat. And so I choose to do a duck. You know, the duck breast, it's very delicate, so you eat it nice, you know, with a knife, a cut and everything. But the leg, if you really want to, you can take the bone and just go over. And I think looks like Donald Trump. Yeah, that's his style. It should be okay, huh? So when I was at the White House, searching for the good ingredients was #1 priority. Where we buy at the White House, we don't tell anybody where we go and buy it, and we just pick out of the blue.
So it's secret?
Yeah, so you could go to the market, someone could go and just pick up some butternut squash and bring it to the White House. Nobody knew it was from the White House. All right, we're going to remove some of the fat. We don't want Mr. Trump to get too fatty, right? This way we render more fat. Yes. Well, now we need to put a little bit of salt and pepper.
Sure.
This is sea salt, kosher salt. There we go.
Okay.
I was thinking maybe to do a little pigeon, but it's not big enough for Mr. Trump.
Yeah.
The legs, you need more meat.
I think 2 is not enough.
No, so that should be enough for him. Look at that. Those are the breasts for Hillary Clinton. So what we're going to do is we're going to do boneless. And then we're going to take the breast in here. We're going to put some salt and pepper also. I'm going to put the skin down first. Very important. Because otherwise it'll stick in the pan. And now we're going to let the skin render the fat and get a beautiful color. Look at that. We're going to cut the bones in small pieces. Make a little bit sweet.
Sweet?
Yes, I think Mrs. Hillary Clinton loves to have sauce, to have a little bit of sweetness.
Does she like spicy food?
Yes, she loves spicy food. She loves Mexican food, Middle East food, all spice food she loves.
Do you think Trump likes Mexican food?
If he can go through the wall, maybe he can get the Mexican food.
Yeah.
So I don't know, we'll see. I put them in there. We're going to cook the tomato. That's why I want you to put on the bottom like that. What we're going to do is we're going to use some white wine.
White wine for Trump?
Oh yeah, very nice. He loves the wine. At the White House, we had our own herb garden on the roof.
Oh, then you can...
Every time we need something like that, then we say, okay, I'll be back, and we go to the roof. Soft, tender?
Yeah.
So you think Mr. Trump would be okay? Okay, very nice. There you go. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to do the butternut squash puree. I know also that Mr. Trump likes to have things organized. This is organized on the plate in here, okay? So, you've been serving the president and his family for 4 or 8 years, and you don't look at them as a politician. You look at them as normal friend, normal people that you work for. The day of the transition is when we have the inauguration. So what happened is the first family comes, they come down for breakfast, and then they wait for the new president to come at the White House, and the first family actually come down and say goodbye to the staff before the new president coming for breakfast, just because it's very intimate, and they thank everybody, and everybody's lining up in the dining room, and they say the goodbye. And sometimes you see little tears coming from both sides.